Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Honor 400 Lite. Okay, so we need to open up our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it just to show you the whole process. And if you want to restore your chats, you need to uninstall your WhatsApp and install it again. So in here, simply select your language. Now in here, in this bar, you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Simply type your number, then click on next. And once you have verified, you will have something like that. Then click on continue. In here, click on allow, allow, and allow. And now, as you could see on the top side of the screen, we had looking for backups. And now we have option to restore our chats. As you can see, I made my backup 6 minutes ago. You can see it right in here. You can also see its size and the account on which I made it. Also, I will tell you that if you want to restore your backup, your WhatsApp backup, you need to be logged in currently in the settings of the phone into the same Google account. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore. So make sure to be logged into the same account on which you made the backup. And also, if you don't know how to create such a WhatsApp backup, also on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Okay, and remember, if you want to restore your chats, you need to do it now. Otherwise, there won't be any option to do it later. So simply click on restore. Now the process should start. Okay, as you can see, 17 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now simply click on next. Under the profile info in here, simply type your name. And if you want, you can also add the profile info by clicking this green plus button right in here. Then click on next. And as you can see, all of the messages, including photos and videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.